Supposed to be.
Suspendido na.
So, ito
Pero nakadalawang sulat na ako kay Senate President Alan Cayetano tungkol dyan. Yung first letter is asking to submit for compliance ano ang ginawang action.
Okay.
Ngayon, nung nakita ko si Aplascan naglalakad-lakad pa rin, nagpapa-interview sa loob ng Senado, and maybe the order is being disregarded by the Senate President. So we will confront this issue.
Ganun na.
Hindi pwede yun.
Constitutional issue yan. And I don't know if he wants it to be a staring contest, but we have to respect the law. We have to respect the Constitution.
Oo, dahil kung malinaw naman po sa konstitusyon, yung authority ng ombudsman, nasa konstitusyon po yan eh.
Over all government officials.
Employees.
Precisely, di ba? Doon sa konstitusyon nakalagay. All, wala
except for those who may be subject of impeachment, we cannot remove them. Because administrative, wala kami administrative.
But you can charge them.
But you can investigate in charge.
Investigate in charge, ano?
Yes. Investigate
Parang
in charge.
kanila yata.
Investigating, we can issue preventive suspension so that the person will not use his power to influence the outcome of any investigation.
Dito sinasabi mo, ombudsman, no person is above the law.
The law, of course.
Ibig sabihin, binigay ang proseso, pero hindi ibig sabihin na you are
Kung
free
gusto
from
nyo hong alagaan yan, use your private funds. He should be off the payroll now because he's preventively suspended.
Ayun, tanong. Talaga bang the payroll?
Tsaka, kung gusto nyo bigyan ng trabaho, make it private.
Pwede ba isang Pinoy?
Wala ko sa government.
Pwede ba isang Pinoy?
Siyempre,